Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own cool 3D Instagram face filter. So this requires no Photoshop or any other softwares except Spark AR. So download the software Spark AR from their website. So it is by Facebook. So click on download. So I have already downloaded this, so let's get started. So open Spark AR and click on blank project. So now you can see a preview window over here. So this is to test your filter while designing it. So click on the video button over here. So you can change the skin tones in here to test your filter on different skin tones. Or you can test the filter on yourself by selecting your own webcam. The first thing is to add an object. So click on Add Object and click on Face Tracker. Click on Insert. So right click on Face Tracker and click on Face Mesh. So now to your right side, there is an option called Material and click on the plus sign beside it. So to avoid any confusion, we name all the layers. So right click on Material and rename it. So this is our first layer. Click on Add Assets and select Import from AR Library. So there are two ways to import an 3D object. You can either download it and import it from your computer, or you can import it from the AR Library. So AR Library has collaborated with Sketchfab. So there are many interesting 3D objects in here. So select on 3D objects and here you can search whatever you want. For example, hats, glasses, etc. So I am gonna search for glasses. So we have different shades over here. So select whichever you want and click on import and download the file. So click on glasses and drag it into the face tracker. Okay. Now we have to scale the object down. So there are three objects at the top. First one is to fix the position. Second one is to rotate. And the third one is to scale the object. So I'm using the third option. So play around until the object fits perfectly. You can pause the video and adjust the object. So after you're done, click on Upload at the left bottom. So in here, enter all the details. You can either post on Instagram or on Facebook, make a demo video. To make it easier, Once it gets published, you can check the insights on their website. So it takes approximately 10 days for your filter to get published. Hope this video helped you. Thank you.